Hello everyone. Today we will study Nissim Ezekiel. Nissim Ezekiel was born in 1924 and he died in 2004. Nissim Ezekiel was an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor and art critic. आप कह सकते हैं कि वो एक मल्टी टैलेंटेड पर्सन थे. ए फेमस फिगर इन पोस्ट कॉलोनियल इंडियन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. पोस्ट कॉलोनियल जो इंडो एंग्लियन लिटरेचर था उसमें एक फेमस फिगर हैं निसिम इज़ेकियल. ही वॉज बॉर्न इन महाराष्ट्र. मुंबई में पैदा हुए थे, महाराष्ट्र में, इन ए बेन इज़राइल ज्यूइश फैमिली. इनकी फैमिली बेशक ज्यूइश थी बट दे वर मराठी स्पीकर्स, लेकिन ये लोग मराठी स्पीकर्स थे. हिज फादर वॉज ए प्रोफेसर ऑफ बॉटनी एट विल्सन कॉलेज और उनकी जो मदर थी वो अपना खुद का स्कूल चलाती थी, उसकी प्रिंसिपल थी. विल्सन कॉलेज से ही इन 1947 ही गॉट हिज ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री BA in literature. In 1947 to 48 he taught English literature and published literary articles. निसिम इज़ेकियल की जो बायोग्राफी है उसे हम पहले देख रहे हैं और फिर क्या अचीवमेंट्स हैं उन्हें देखेंगे. ही सेल टू इंग्लैंड इन नवंबर 1948. 1948 में इंग्लैंड चले गए, लेकिन जब 3.5 साल बाद उन्हें घर वापस आना था तो उनके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं था, तो ही वॉज फोर्स टू वर्क एज ए डेक स्क्रबर. उन्होंने शिप पर एक सफाई कर्मचारी की तरह काम किया और अपने लौटने का एक तरीका ढूंढा. He was awarded the Sahityak Academy Award in 1983. 1983 में उन्हें साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड मिला. उनका जो पोएटिक कलेक्शन है लेटर डे साल्म्स के लिए. He got Padam Shri Award in 1988. These 2 points are very important because these can be asked in the examinations that for which collection of poetry he got the Sahitya Academy Award and in which year he got the Padam Shri Award. In 1988 he got the Padam Shri Award and in 1983 he got the Sahitya Academy Award for the poetic collection Later Day Psalms. Ezekiel translated the poetry of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in Marathi in collaboration with Vrinda Navar. This question is also important. पूछा जा सकता है कि पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का जो पोइट्री है उसको मराठी में किसने ट्रांसलेट किया है, तो वो निसिम इज़ेकियल ने ट्रांसलेट किया है वृंदा नबार के साथ कोलैबोरेशन में. आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड ही वर्कड as an advertising copywriter and general manager of a picture frame company. In 1954 to 59 he was working as a copywriter and general manager. Now we should come to his literary achievements. He was a co-founder of the literary monthly Jumpo in 1961. Art critic of the Names of India. This question can be asked, who was the art critic of the Names of India. So Nissim Ezekiel was the art critic of the Names of India from 1964 to 66, and he edited Poetry India from 1966 to 67. This question has been asked in some competitive examinations that who edited Poetry India 1966 to 67. So Nissim Ezekiel edited Poetry India. His life as a professor. From 1961 to 1972, Ezekiel he headed the Department of English Mithibai College, Bombay, and Mumbai. He also performed his duty as visiting professor at University of Leeds 1964 and University of Pondicherry 1967. In whole, Nissim Ezekiel was a famous literary figure, and his poetry deals with the themes of society, colonization, post-colonialism, the problems of the society after independence. Now, lastly, I am just going to discuss what are his famous poetic volumes. These are the famous poetic volumes of Nissim Ezekiel. Time to Change is his first poetic volume, 1952. 60 poems, 1953. The third is the third one poetic collection, 1959. The Unfinished Man, 1960. The Exact Name, 1965. And Hymns in Darkness, 1976. Later Day Psalm, for which he got the Sahitya Academy Award, was published in 1982 and he got the prize in 1983. And lastly, his collected poems was published in 1988. From 1952 to 88, this work have all his poetic collections in a row. Thank you so much.